In this video, I'm going to show you how to service and check the manual transmission fluid in your Subaru Impreza or Forester. This is a, I think we're working on a 2006 model, and it's got the manual transmission, so we're just going to go under the hood here. It's going to be on the passenger side, and if you look right down there, you can see the yellow dipstick there. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the fluid type and the capacity. So we're going to go ahead and pull that plug out, take a look at that. Alright, and as you can see there, you got the you got two little lines there. So bottom line is a low level, top line is a full level. They don't specify, this is like automatic transmission, you can check this cold or hot. So that's your fluid check, and that's also going to be your fill hole. So you're going to need a long funnel to be able to put your fluid in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put this up and show you guys how to service it as well. Alright, so we're under the vehicle now, and here is our manual transmission. So in order to service the fluid in this Subaru manual transmission, this is going to be the drain plug right here, and you're going to need yourself a big T70, I believe that is, yep, T70 Torx, just like that. So you can pull that drain plug out and that will drain all your fluid. Now let's go to the computer and find out the capacity and the type of fluid we need to put in this. Alright, so we have our 2006 Subaru Forester up here, and we have all our fluid specifications. This one we're going to go to manual transmission fluid, and it looks like we got 80W90, so this is just your regular typical gear oil. We're going to be putting 3.7 quarts, and that's for drain and fill. Alright, and if you're servicing an automatic transmission, which we're not really covering in this video, but I can still pull up the specifications here, and that's what you got. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the Flat Rate Mechanic. Till next time.